Hey kiddos! Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick little 10-minute activity to keep you guys occupied while you're at home. So we're going to be making a homemade bird feeder. What you will need for this is a pine cone, like so, some peanut butter or honey, whatever one you have, and some bird seed. So first you're going to want to just lather the pine cone in your peanut butter or honey, whatever you have. I would maybe lay down some newspaper while you're doing this so your guys' parents don't get upset when you make a mess. Just lather it all over. You need to make sure that there's enough for the bird seed to stick to it. I'll do a little bit more on the top. Okay, that looks pretty good. Make sure it's all covered like so. Then, once you have all the peanut butter on, you're just gonna take your bird seed, which I have over here, and sprinkle it on. And it should stick to all that peanut butter. And the birds should love you. There we go. Then if you want to hang it up, you can add a string to it. Go outside, hang it up somewhere, and watch all the birdies eat off of it. So try it and let me know how it goes.